New Year, New You. That's one of the most common phrases we use to ring in the new year. Pero what if New Year, New Car? Ibang level, di ba? This is Yuli Ang, this is CarGuide.PH, and join me as we do a grand reveal of the newest car to join our garage and kung ano ang isa sa mga unang upgrades na pwede natin gawin that's also beneficial to our health. Before we start, guys, watch the video because you'll be able to get your very own promo code for a discount on your very own Lumar tint. Okay, now guys, without any further suspense, here's our newest car. It's a 2025 Mazda CX-60 in deep crystal blue. Now, there are a lot of reasons why I chose this car, but the most important part is that swak siya sa needs ko. It's a diesel na hybrid, so it's matipid. It's fully loaded with all sorts of luxury features, and it's fun to drive because it's got an inline-6 up front and a rear-biased all-wheel drive. Most important of all, I was drawn to the design. The tan and black interior with the suede materials is something you can only get in a luxury vehicle. Siyempre, hindi na ako nagtiis at nagpalit na ako ng mags, but right now, we should look for ways to protect that interior, especially since I plan to keep this car for a long time. So anong dapat natin gawin? Invest tayo in a premium quality tint that matches this premium SUV. For the CX-60, I chose to partner with Lumar because I've heard a lot of great things about this brand. But I'm surprised that they are a window film specialist with over 60 years of experience. CX-60, 60 years? Coincidence? I think not. Now, compared to other window tints and films in the market, Lumar is a member of the International Window Film Association. It's also recommended by the Skin Cancer Foundation. What it all means is that their claims of being an effective UV protectant are backed up by science and certification. As a motoring journalist with over 25 years of experience, ramdam ko ng need when it comes to UV protection. Since I spend a lot of time on the road, and most of it sa bilad ng araw, minsan hindi lang kotse ang two-tone sa akin, pati balat ko na rin. Parang nag-golf na hindi naman. For the CX-60, I chose the Lumar CTX-30, the lightest shade Lumar is offering in their Cera Matrix Advanced line. I chose this because I have trust in ceramic tints that it's metal-free. So, walang worry when it comes to RFID or mobile phones. And compared to other ordinary tints, hindi rin siya fade or kukupas. The most important number here is the total solar energy rejected, or TSER. It refers to the total amount of solar energy that is rejected by window film after installation. The higher this number is, the more heat is prevented from passing through the glass. If you're looking to increase comfort during sunny days, this is a value to pay particular attention to.
Yan, tapos na ang tinting ng ating CX-60 with the Lumar CTX-30. The first thing na mapapansin nyo is that hindi siya ganun ka-shiny. Why? That is one of the marks of true ceramic tint. Isa pa is that there's clear visibility right here on the inside. That's very important for us Tito aged out there because lalo na sa gabi, it still gives you that clear visibility na hindi ka parang feeling mong nagdadrive ka na sobrang dilim. Pero sa umaga, it provides you the same UV protection that you deserve.
Lumar has been in the Philippines for over 20 years and has prided itself as being the expert when it comes to window tints. It's a trusted name, not just when it comes to automotive but to architectural tints too. When it comes to upgrades, Lumar doesn't just add forma but provides real benefits in terms of comfort. And yes, because summer is just a few months away, the only thing I need to worry about is getting a beach body ready. Pero yung init ng araw, bring it on. As to the promo code, it's right here and you can use it by DMing Lumar Window Films Philippines at any of their social media accounts.